Good morning guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm doing a little come shop with me today. I'm so excited because I'm actually working with the original factory shop on this video. They've kindly sponsored it and sent me a gift card to go and see what they've currently got in store, so I'm so excited. I remember as a teenager I used to save up my wages and go there and buy like beauty products. I remember them having like high street brands for really affordable prices. Will admit I haven't been there for years, but today I'm going back to check out their fashion items and beauty products. This just like sparks joy for my inner 16-year-old self. So I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm sure you have all heard of the original factory shop before. I'll pop a link in the description box to where you can find your nearest store. They are dotted around the UK. I don't know what it is in me, but I just find the thrill of a bargain so satisfying. Before I forget to mention, if you're a student as well, you get 10% off all year round, so that is just even better on top of the really affordable prices. So I'm going to stop blabbing. I'm going to go get myself ready. I'm actually driving over to mum and dad's because that is my local one where I used to live. So yeah, I'm going to go over there, pick mum up, and we're going to have a day of shopping. So first up, I spotted these super cute baskets. I thought these would look so nice styled up with midi dresses. They are actually for the home, but I thought with a little summer dress they would look perfect. So then I headed over to the fashion items. I was actually shocked at how many designer brands they do carry, and the discount was incredible. I was after some more active wear and I came across these Adidas socks which had £5 off, so absolute bargain at £8, and I love the colourway of these. I had tons of designer trainers and I wish now I'd have picked up the grey Adidas pair. I absolutely love the colour of the pink Pumas as well, they were so nice. And then finally I hit up the beauty stand. Oh my god, they had so many bargains here. I just wanted to buy everything. So let's go home and see what I got. So I just got home from my shopping spree at the original factory shop and I really enjoyed it. As I remembered from many years ago, they got some really good stuff in there. So many bargains, like up to 70% off on brands, which is a total steal. So I'm so chuffed with the pieces I got. I focused mainly on active wear. They got a lot there, like Adidas, Puma. I got a couple of pieces from Bench, which I haven't had anything from Bench since I was a teenager. I feel like the 90s trend is even bigger this year than it has been any other year, so I picked myself up a couple of pieces from Bench, a massive blast from the past. I went to the one in Leominster, which is quite near to where I used to live. It's in Herefordshire. I'll pop the link below to where you can find your nearest store, but that is my most local one. It's nice to have it like in the heart of the community. It's still there, it's still going strong, and for a little market town that is a massive bonus these days, so I love that it is still there. As always, I will link everything that I can find links to on the website in the description box, so if you do want to shop the items then make sure you head over there and have a look. I think I mentioned at the start of the video as well about the students. It's 10% off all year round for students, but I noticed while I was in there they've got so many like really nice home bits. If you are a student and you're kitting out your like student halls or your first house, then it's absolutely brilliant. They've got really nice towels, bedding, some lovely pieces for the garden. I really want to go back and buy some bits for the gardens, so just bear that in mind if you are after home stuff as well. So let's dig deep and I'll show you my factory shop finds. So my first find was just this basic t-shirt, and it's actually from Elle Sport. I think the camera's going to wash it out because it's such a bright day, but I will try all these items on for you. Basic white t-shirt. I just thought with some mum jeans, some trainers. This is just like one of those casual Saturday afternoon outfits. It's really nice quality, this, and it was only £10, so I thought it was a bargain. Got it in a size medium. I like the minimal branding. and I just think it will go with loads. I don't need to tell you how to wear a white t-shirt, I'm sure everybody knows, but yeah, I was really surprised to see Elle Sport in there. I'll wear this with my leggings and over a sports bra if I am working out, and I'll also wear it in the daytime just as a casual outfit. So for £10, it says the recommended retail price was £23, so that's a bargain. I really, really like that piece. Keeping on this sports theme, I found these, and I've wanted one of these for so long, and it's the Adidas like ring, are they ringer t-shirts? I got this in a medium, and I love the grey. They had black, navy and red as well, if I can remember rightly. I was torn between this and the black, but I thought I do wear grey quite a lot, I'll just go with everything. So I got it in a medium, and it was £20, which is a bargain for an Adidas t-shirt. I got it big enough to wear over cycling shorts and trainers, but again, I'd probably chuck it on with some jeans for a casual weekend. Everything I bought was quite casual. Yeah, they got loads of Adidas stuff. They've got loads of Adidas trainers, Puma trainers, Skechers. What other brands did they have on the shoes? They had Jules Wellies, which I would have bought if we weren't like going into summer, but yeah, really good brands in there. Then I was on the market anyway for a pair of new joggers, and I stumbled across these ones. I love a grey jogger, just like a crisp, soft grey jogger with like a fleece lining is just the dream. So I found these bench ones. Now the branding is really subtle on it. It just got a little logo here, and it just says bench on the drawstring. But they're really nice. I got them in a 10, and they look to be quite high-waisted. I haven't tried them on yet, so that'll be a bonus if they are. And they just go down into a cuff. They're more of like a tight fit jogger. Sometimes I feel like if you've got to nip out of the house, you don't want like the big baggy lazy joggers on. You want something slightly smarter. So I like these, and they've got pockets, which again is a bonus. I love a pocket. These were £15, which I didn't think was too bad at all for a branded jogger, so I love those. So I wear joggers quite a bit in the spring, out and about. I like to put like a crop top on and like a check shirt and a pair of trainers over the top. Again, 99% of the time I am dressed very casually, so they work really well. Then sticking with bench, I found these. Now, I absolutely love a comfy pant. I don't know about you guys, but I hate uncomfortable underwear. It's just the bane of my life. So anything with a big thick waistband and 100% cotton is right up my street. So I got these bench ones. They're a pack of 3, and they were only £8, which is an absolute steal. They are a full brief. I think they had a thong version in there as well, which I probably should have got if I had any more money left over, but I didn't. So yeah, I might pick those up next time I go in. But they had these, and they had the matching bralette as well. But yeah, I got them in a size 12. They're just, I don't really need to say much, do I? Other than they're a complete bargain, and I will wear these to death. I picked up some socks. Now these are Adidas, but they're like spring colours. They're so nice. We've got a pink pair in there, a lime green and a lime yellow, and I thought they were just really nice for spring. Is that going to show up? When I walk the dogs, I like to wear leggings and like a baggy top, and then some sports socks. So these will be so nice, and they just sort of poke up over the top of your trainers. And again, bargain for 3 pairs. They were only £8. What does it say? They're meant to be £13, so I love these. And I just thought the colours were so, so nice. You can never have too many white pairs of socks either. So last of the fashion finds. This is actually from the home section, but I wanted to use it as an actual bag. And it's this straw like basket. Let me pull the sides up. It's so nice, and I just thought, my mum's got one of these, and we tied a scarf around the handles, and it looks so nice just with like your daily essentials in, and carrying it around the supermarket. I just love it. And I think with a nice floaty like midi dress and some trainers, this will look really nice. So I thought, I know it was from the home section, but I couldn't resist it, and I just wanted to style it up with some dresses. And this was a bargain. It was £8. They got another one which was lovely. It was this colour, and then it had like black bits all woven through it, which I was tempted to get. I think that one's £12 or £13, but I thought this would go with more because it's just neutral. But yeah, I love it. Such a nice piece. So that is it for clothing. I've just got a few beauty pieces. Their beauty section is awesome. They've got stuff like OPI. They've got so many fragrances. They've got really nice gift sets. They've got Bayliss and Harding, Molten Brown. So many good brands. Elizabeth Arden. What else did I see? Clinique. I was drawn to the OPI stand because I love a nail polish, as you know, and I picked these two up. They were only £5 each. I think they retail at like £12, don't they, at OPI? So the first colour I got was Movie Buff, and it's this gorgeous, like, nudie pink sort of colour. I don't know how well it will pick up on camera. I love this, so nice. And then the second one I got is called Coastal Sanctuary. Coastal Sanctuary. And this is like an even nuder one. But I just thought for the summer, on toes and hands, you can't go wrong with a nude. Like, it's almost like a creamy white with a hint of pink. It's the only way I can describe that. But yeah, two really nice polishes. They had tons of colours in there and it was hard to choose, but I thought we'd play it safe and go for a couple of nudes, because 9 times out of 10 I wear a nude or a red. And then the final thing I treated myself to was a blast from the past. Perfume I used to wear in my first years of college, and the smell of it just always takes me back to then. I absolutely adore it, and I feel like I probably will buy this for the rest of my life. And it's the CK Into You, Calvin Klein. This just smells like summer in a bottle to me, and this is huge, and it was £20, so I couldn't not buy it. If you've ever had this before, you will know how it smells and you will know how nice it is. Love the bottle, it's just really classic, and I don't know how well I can describe it other than it's unreal. I'm rubbish at describing fragrance smells, but it's really zesty and fresh. Just go and have a smell. If you get the chance to smell it, for a daytime perfume in the spring summer months, it's absolutely lovely, and the smell lasts forever. I've got some really high-end perfumes and I can smell this on me more than I can those, so that just says something, doesn't it? It's just worth the £20. So I'm so happy with this, and like I said, they've got loads of fragrances in there. So that is everything I picked up. I just want to say a huge thank you to the Original Factory Shop for working with me on this video. It's been an absolute blast. I loved going shopping in there. It just takes me back to my youth, so really enjoyed it, and I'll definitely be popping in there. I want to get some garden bits. They've got really nice, like that festoon lighting. We've just built a pergola in the garden, so I want to pick some up for that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be heading back. There's so many big savings to be had, so definitely have a look if you have got one near you. I will pop their website across the screen and in the description box if you do want to go and have a look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!